How to use a Hinge application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hinge is a popular dating app designed to be more relationship focused compared to casual dating apps. So, in order to use this application, first of all, make sure you have installed and downloaded it on your device. To do so, you can visit your App Store or Google Play Store. However, it is not available in all regions. In that case, you can use a VPN. Now that you have downloaded the Hinge app, tap on Create Account to create a new one. This will ask your phone number for verification. Provide in the verification code sent to you, and once confirmed, you can continue with creating your account. Choose on the Create Account option. Agree to the terms and conditions and tap on Enter Basic Info. This will ask your name and last name. Tap on the right arrow to continue to next page. Then after provide in your email address and tap on the same button again. This will ask your date of birth. Give the correct date of birth. Tap on the right arrow to confirm the date of birth. Once that is done, you will get different pages including the notifications and adding more details. This includes your hometown, your neighborhood, your other information and choices. You will also have to answer some of the questions such as your relationship type and the type of person you're looking to date. Once you have given all of your preferred answers, your account should be created. Then after you will see this page, tap on Start Sending Likes. This way you can either browse profiles and like or comment or something specific. When someone likes you back, it becomes a match and you can start chatting. You can also explore the special prompts and suggested matches and use filter for preferences like age, distance and relationship type. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.